All right, today I want to introduce our Hunterworks premium line of belts, and also it's a reintroduction to Hunterworks belts. We just came out with a line of belts called the Value line belts that comes in at a lower price point, a different set of materials than our premium line belt. And so this video and the name had to come out to differentiate between Value line and premium line. So what does premium line represent, and why did you say a reintroduction? The reason I mainly said reintroduction is that we've been working with Ultimax since 2018 on our own belts. We are not a private labeler where we say we'll take your specs, your belt, take your name off, put our name on, and we'll sell it. 99% of all aftermarket belts you see out there, that's exactly what they're doing. We do not do that at Hunterworks. That's kind of why we've hidden who makes ours for so long, because we don't want you to think that. They are the people who make it, but we work with engineering back and forth. I'm in constant contact with end users every day. Obviously, I see problems, and so we listen, and anything that pops up that can be fixed with the belt, then that's what we've been working on. Noises and jerky starts and et cetera, and then just quality issues, period. So from 2018 to roughly 6 months ago, we've been changing cog designs, bottom and top, and compounds and twist rate on cords and binding agents between top layer and the cord. We have changed how many layers is in the top and the bottom, changed ride height, width, you name it. We have just slowly been working on each model's belts since 2018. And the reintroduction part comes in is if you are one of the unlucky people that had a bad experience with a Hunterworks belt a year, 2, 3 years ago, and you know, you're one of those guys that go, oh, Hunterworks belts are junk. Well, they're not. So we're reintroducing it because the belt you might have got back then is just simply not the belt today. All right, now, I said 6 months ago, and a lot of people, anytime something new and better comes out, they want the new and the better, but maybe they just bought one last week, last month, whatever, and they go, hey, I'd like to send it back. Well, I mean, if it was something literally old, we can't take something we can't sell back. However, good news for you is if you bought a belt with us, if you bought a belt from us in the last 6 months, you already have our premium line. It just got finished and to the point where we are 6 months ahead of getting our Value line released. That took longer than we thought. And we just kind of held the news back until the Value line came out. So December 23, Hunterworks has 2 lines of belt, Value line and premium line. If you got any questions, Todd@hunterworks.com, and on the Value line, it's covered in the Value line video. However, they are only available initially on Amazon and Hunterworks1, the number 1.com, not the main site. Only the premium lines will be on the main site. So, got any questions? Todd@hunterworks.com. Thank you.